Hey everyone, coming to you straight from Florida, from Lauderdale-by-the-Sea. Just gonna do a little walk around, bring you guys along with me. We're at the corner of Commercial and Ocean Drive on the A1A. Looks like a little community where they have restaurants and hotels or motels, like a little beach resort place. So we'll walk around here. Right across the street, it seems to be all over here. So we'll go walk around. The ocean is just about 200 feet that way. So we'll go and see what's going on. So it looks like a lot of restaurants, a lot of stuff like that. We'll just keep going. I'll try to talk over the music here so we don't get in trouble. I like how they put these barriers here along the road so that way no cars can get in here. The only thing is it takes away all the parking, but see these barriers they put here on either side of the street. A lot of these little shops. So we'll just walk around, take a look and see at everything here. Must be a really busy place. We're after 5 right now. What time is it? It's a little after 5, middle of the week. Not as many people. We came by on the weekend and it was packed with people. See all the setup, all the tables they have outside everywhere. Really well set up. All right, we'll keep walking along here and show you guys what's going on. 101 Ocean Restaurant. Beautiful place. So the ocean's right over here. We'll walk over just to show you guys. So you go down these little streets here, looks like little motels. A little further down, the nice condos, big condo complexes, beautiful. But in between, sometimes you have some little motels. The Village Grill. Guess we're early, 5 o'clock, not too many people around. Nice weather, 80 degrees right now. For the middle of January. Pretty good. Aruba Beach Club. All right, we'll walk ahead here. We'll go right over to the ocean. All right, what's this say here? Lauderdale-by-the-Sea, Florida's beach diving capital. So the ocean's right here. Beautiful beach. Beach is really beautiful. People sitting out here eating, having a drink. They got a pier. Part of a pier. Looks like part of it's gone. I don't know what happened there. I'll read about it, see if I can find what happened. If I can, I'll write it at the bottom of the screen here, what year it came apart. Look at that, you're missing a part right there. You see that? So right down this way would be Pompano Beach. And right this way would be Fort Lauderdale. I mean, we're right stuck on Fort Lauderdale. A couple streets over, probably be Fort Lauderdale. All right, we'll go walk along. We'll go through the music's coming from over here. Then we'll walk down the other side. Show you guys that. Walking around. So you get some nice condos here. Some parking. Get back over on the main drag here. Parking is good price. Decent price, like $3 an hour. Which is really good if you just want to park and ride up, walk around and go to a restaurant or just go to stores, or if you want to go for the beach for the afternoon, you just do times whatever, how many hours you want to be here. You can pay $16 for 12 hours if you want, all day. So you get your t-shirt places, the places to eat, gelato. Place to put your bike. Get these places where you can lock up your bikes. Place to sit down and eat. If you want some ice cream. I like how they did these. Place to put your bike. Look how nice those are. Shaped like a fish. Looks really good. Lauderdale-by-the-sea. Yep. When it's full of people, must be just a booming down here. Like I said, very nice that they put those barricades. Makes it safe for everybody. Right here we're at Vinny's Italia. There's a bar right in the middle. Another bar right there. What would a little beach resort be without a sunglass place, eh? Sunglass hut. Another ice cream store. Got another bar there, right on the corner. Gas station right on the corner here. Got another, looks like motel, and underneath there's all commercial spaces. You got a Burger FI right there. I noticed over there was a sign that says dueling pianos. Alright, so here we're coming up Ocean Mist Pub, another pub. Got some stuff across the street too. Looks like it could be a rowdy place. So we'll walk up to the corner here, we'll cut across, go over on the other side. Looks like a galleria. More motels out back here, or condos. Well, probably condos. Vacation rentals. And the restaurant right here. All right. We're gonna cut over onto the other side. Starts with a bank here on the corner. We'll walk up through here. Beautiful. Look at the bushes, are really nice. Trees look good at night. See the lights they have in the trees here, so that must look really good at night here. They all have that. So the town has decorated that up. Looks really good. Jewelry store. Need a haircut? Coins, precious metals, loud mufflers. More parking out back here. Jewelry store in the corner. Beautiful Porsche right there. Beautiful. C6, I think. So along here you got all these stores that sell tchotchkes and stuff. Italian bakery. Those golf carts. Swimwear place right here. Now you see all these lights in the trees. Looks really nice. See that? At night must all look really nice here. Must look beautiful. Alright, so that's it for the main little drag here. Lauderdale-by-the-Sea. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Just give me a thumbs up. I'll keep putting you some more. Alright, see you guys.